Hi guys, this is Sarvesh, the technical analyst, and let's look at the crypto market. This is the second session, and in the first session, we had taken a few trades. So the first trade that we had taken was ACE USDT. Okay, ACE USDT. I hope you are able to see it, and currently it is in a little bit of loss. And the other trade that we had taken was Atom USDT, which is also in a bit of loss, but that's not a problem because we have kept our stop losses clearly. And before we start, I would just like to give a disclaimer that whatever coins that I'm going to discuss in this video or in any of my past or future videos is not meant to be any kind of advice or recommendation. It is just for education purposes and to discuss about technical analysis. And all the trades that I'm taking over here are paper trades. So please do not blindly copy these trades. Just look at it as a educational video, and do not take any trading or investing decisions with your real capital just based on this particular video or any other video of mine on this particular channel. Now, let's quickly go through all the bitcoins. Let's go through all the cryptocurrencies, and let's start with Bitcoin, and let's look at what the momentum is at the present. So, Bitcoin is trading at approximately 56,000 levels. It had hit 57,400 level today itself. And let me just change this to a 1 hour chart so that you can see it more clearly. So Bitcoin had hit 57,000 levels uh, for today itself, and then again it hit 57,464 level just an hour before. So clearly it is very bullish. We had given a buy signal over here, as you can see, and we made a good profit in that particular trade. I can just show you the account history. So here's the account history. 27th of February, we had taken a trade, which was a long trade. So we took the long position in Bitcoin, and we made approximately $3,200 profit in that particular trade. So we had entered at around this level and we exited over here, and we made decent profit in that. Currently, in the 1 hour chart, there is no movement or there is no opportunity in Bitcoin. Overall, on the weekly chart, that is for the larger time frame, Bitcoin still remains very bullish, and the bullish trend in Bitcoin started in the month of October. As you can see, this is the weekly chart, and this is the candle where we got the confirmation for the bullish trend. And since then, Bitcoin has almost gone by 92% higher, and just a little bit more, then it will basically double the entire value since the start of the candle where we got the entry price. So this was the candle where we got the entry price, and it's been about 130 to 132 days where we got a good opportunity in Bitcoin. The next resistance in Bitcoin is going to be around 60,000 level, so that is where we need to watch out. If this 60,000 level is breached, then we can see a new all-time high in Bitcoin, which is most likely the scenario. But we will have to wait and watch, and we need to do our trades with proper risk management. Now, let's look at some other coins. Let me just minimize this. I hope you are able to hear me clearly. If you are able to hear me clearly, just type yes in the comment section. If not, then let me know. Maybe I will change the settings a little bit. Now, let's move on to some other coins. Now, here over in this particular chart, I have pulled out ACE. So, ACE, we had taken the trade in today's first session of our live trading analysis. And over here, this is a 1 day chart. And the basis on which we had taken this trade was that the 24 EMA had just crossed above the 60 EMA, and the the relative strength of this particular movement of this particular coin was stronger than the movement of Bitcoin. So hence we had taken the entry position in this particular trade, and as you can see, we have entered over here with a 2:1 risk reward ratio. That means for every dollar at risk, we are having a potential of earning about $2. So currently, we are at a little bit of loss in this particular trade, but hopefully this will recover and we can make some decent profit out of it. Or else we are okay with even if the stop loss gets hit because we have taken the trade with proper risk management. So that's most important in trading. With no matter what you're trading, whether it be crypto or forex or stocks, you have to make sure that your risk management is really good so that you do not lose more than what you can afford. Let's look at some other stocks. Let's look at FIL USD. Now FIL USDT is has been bullish since about 15th of February, but today we can see that on the daily chart there is a little bit of retracement in this particular coin. It remains to be seen whether this coin gives a retracement and comes back to the 24 EMA and bounces back up. Let me see if there is any trade in the 1 hour chart in this particular coin. Okay, there is. So the 24 EMA is still above the 60 EMA. So in this particular scenario, we will not be doing anything unless and until the 24 EMA crosses below the 60 EMA and an entire 1 hour candle forms below both the 24 and 60 EMA, and the relative strength is weak as compared to the Bitcoin. Then only we will be able to take a decision. But as of now, there is no trade in this particular coin. Let's look at the next coin. Okay, so in this coin we already have a position that is CKB, and we have a long position in this particular coin. So let's wait and watch for this particular coin, that is CKB USDT. Next is TRX. So TRX, again in line with Bitcoin, this particular crypto was doing a bullish momentum, and it has gone up by about 2.17% in last 23 hours. So about in this particular day. Overall, in the 1 hour chart, we do not see any movement or any opportunity to enter in this crypto. Same as the situation in the 1 day candle as well. So we'll just skip this. We'll keep it in our radar. What we are trying to do over here is we are trying to find an opportunity to enter into any particular candle, any particular coin, using our relative strength and the 24 and 60 EMA crossover logic. Okay, so here what we are seeing is the 24 EMA is above the 60 EMA. There is decent volume in this particular coin, and this 1 day candle is about to close above the 24 as well as 60 EMA as well. If we just look at the relative strength, let me just pull out the relative strength chart. Okay, I guess the relative strength chart is not able to load on this particular coin. But if we just look at the 24 and 60 EMA crossover over here, we can see that okay, here is the relative strength chart. Let me just check why it is not plotting. Okay, there seems to be an error in the calculation of the relative strength chart. I'll just check it out later. But yeah, so this coin INJ USDT, this is at least satisfying our EMA crossover strategy. Okay, next is an coin called as SEI Tether, and the 24 EMA is trading above the 60 EMA. The price had gone below the 24 EMA, but the bulls were able to pull it up again. So over here as well, we can see that there can be an opportunity to enter on the long side. But the problem here is that the upper wick is much bigger than the lower wick, which also indicates that there is a little bit of selling pressure in this particular coin. So for today, we will just skip this coin and we'll keep it in our watch list. So this is the market dominance for USDT. It's an interesting what do you say statistics for crypto, but it's a little bit concerning that the USDT dominance level has been consistently falling, and right now it is about 4.7%. There was a time where the USD dominance in the crypto market was around 8%. That was in September, but since then it has almost become half. So yeah, here is the next coin, which is ICP, and this particular coin is in which we had taken one trade, but there is not a lot of movement, or there is not even a lot of volume in this particular coin. So I think we'll just have to skip it. I had taken a trade in this coin, as you can see over here, ICP USDT, and you can see on the chart that there is hardly any movement in this particular coin. So there's a very less volume. So there's no point in further adding any positions. So the next coin that we have is the Chainlink Tether. Same story over here, that the EMA 24 is trading above the 60 EMA, but there has been a retracement and it has tried to pull back up. And on the daily chart for today, it seems like it is a flattish day. Volumes are also pretty less. And even though the price tried to move up a little bit, but the bears have taken control, and we are looking at the doji sign, which is like this inverted cross kind of a sign, which is called as a doji over here, which is not a very bullish symbol. So we'll have to wait and watch for this particular coin. And the next coin is BMAX. BMAX, we had taken a trade in our Bybit portfolio on 9th of February, and we had taken approximately the it, we had taken about 12% stop loss and 24% target, which was achieved in 2 days itself. So this trade we have taken a few days back, as I showed you, but right now, as the price is moving way higher than the 24 EMA, so I don't think there is any opportunity right now in this particular coin. But we can wait and watch in this particular coin for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Then there is this next. This is USDT Tether. So this is basically Tether. So there is no trading opportunity on this one. This is an coin called as Cosmos or Atom USDT. We have taken a trade yesterday on this particular coin because it has given the confirmation based on a 24 and 60 EMA pattern. As you can observe over here, the price had gone below the 424 as well as 60 EMA, where the bulls again took charge on 24th of February, and there was a big massive green candle with a good volume that was formed on 26th of February, that is yesterday. So we took a 1:2 risk reward ratio, where our stop loss is one time and our target is twice. So essentially we have taken a risk of around $2,000 and for a profit of approximately $4,300. So this is a trade that is already ongoing, as you can see over here, Atom USDT. Not a lot of movement in this particular coin, about $60-70 in profit, but hopefully we'll be able to see some momentum in this particular coin in a few days. Let's look at Lightning. Yeah, so here we have an opportunity because as you can see, the price has gone below 24 and 60 EMA. The bulls again took charge, and today the volume is also pretty good, and the entire candle of one day has formed above the 24 as well as 60 EMA, and there has been a crossover of 24 EMA above the 60 EMA. So here we can look at taking a trade, which is a demo trade. Okay, we will keep the stop loss at the 24 EMA, and we always aim to capture 2 times the profit of the risk that we are taking in any particular trade. So that would be around this level. So I'm just taking a demo trade over here. Again, quick disclaimer, please do not replicate this trade. This is just for education purposes, and I do not recommend you to just go ahead and do this trade on with your real capital. Okay, so the take profit over here is 86.17, and stop loss over here will be 70.17, and let's say we are risking 5% of our capital, 5% of our capital in order to make 10% profit in this particular trade. So yeah, I think let's do it. Here it is. We took a demo trade over here in TradingView. By the way, if you want to become a professional trader, I highly recommend that you should use TradingView as your tool to do analysis of the market, as I'm using over here, because TradingView is literally the best platform that you can ever use for technical analysis, and it has the best interface, best data, most up to date, and it is used by professional traders. More than 50 million traders across the world use TradingView, so it's really great. And if you just click on the link in the description below, then you will get a 1 month free trial of TradingView, so that you can practice on the pro charts, and then if you find it useful, which I'm pretty sure that you will, then you can maybe consider going and subscribing with the paid plan for the pro charts. So interestingly, we have taken now another trade, that is LTC USDT. We have 5 trades open, and they are all long trades actually, because all the cryptocurrencies are quite bullish. So I'll close this video for now. This is the second session for our cryptocurrency live trading analysis. So this is it for this particular session. Do support this channel by opening your accounts through Core Crypto on Bybit by the link in the description box below or the comment section below. It is the most trusted platform. You can copy the entire portfolio of ours on Bybit and not have to worry about any research, or you don't have to worry about 24 hours market cycles that are there in the crypto market. So our master traders are always trading. So whatever trades that are taken in our master account by our professional traders, that will automatically get replicated in your Bybit account. So you can sit back and relax and watch your crypto portfolio grow without having to worry and stress about the crypto movements. So link is in the description box below. Open your account with Bybit in the link in the description box below if you don't have an account already, or you can sign up for a new account and fund your account with the capital that you want to invest in the crypto market, and just again go ahead and copy our Aventus crypto portfolio and watch your portfolio grow as you sit back and relax. This was it for today. This is Sarvesh. Keep trading, keep investing, and I'll see you in the next session for Forex and crypto live trading analysis for today. Until then, goodbye.